What's going on? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a whale. This is kind of simple and just takes a little bit of time to practice and learn. Let's hop into it. We're going to start with the body first, and then draw the eyes, then the belly of the whale. I'm going to be leaving a gap here because eventually the fin that comes down will be going right through here. There's the basic body of it. I know mine didn't look perfect, but that's okay. Now it's time for the fin that goes in this gap. There's the fin. Now for the back side of the whale, there's the other fin, so you can just draw a little fin coming out here. Now it's time for the eye. Now there is a back of the whale that has a fin on the other side, of course, so we're going to add the other fin, just coming down right here. Not too big, just a nice fin representing the other side of it. Now we can start in the belly. There we go. Now the last piece would be the eye. There you have it, your whale. I know, mine doesn't look the best, but practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and you can make a really good whale.